Hello. I have found what is possibly the best vantage point I have ever found. Oh my goodness, yes. Look at this view. Now, I'm trying to keep my camera steady. Oh my. Oh yes. Oh, I can't wait till I get beyond this building. Oh my goodness. Oh, I am seeing so many flashes over there. Oh yes. Oh. Oh, I hope I got part of that bolt. Yes, I do. Oh yeah. Oh, this is gonna be great. This is gonna be great. This is gonna be great. This might possibly be the best video Lightning Chaser John has ever made so far. Once I get past these stupid trees. Oh my goodness. I gotta come here more often. Oh. Oh my. Oh. Oh my freaking goodness gracious me. This is awesome. Oh my yes. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Come on. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is a vantage point. Oh, yes, it is. Oh, my. I have never seen such a more beautiful, perfect vantage point than right about here. Or even, oh my goodness. Oh, I hope I got that on camera. I hope I got part of that on camera. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is like, oh my goodness. Oh man, look at these clouds. Look at the gorgeous clouds here. Oh, man, oh, I gotta come here more often. Oh, this is gorgeous. This makes the trip worth it. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh, look at this view. Oh man, this is awesome. This is possibly the best view of a storm that I've ever seen. Oh wow. This is gorgeous. It really is. Oh my yes. Oh yeah. Okay, now I am here. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is a perfect place for lightning chasing. Oh yes. Oh, I know I got some of that on tape. Oh, yes. Oh, you can probably hear the wind because I'm between two buildings and it acts like I don't know what the term is, something like a scramjet engine, but this is gorgeous. Oh, I have never had a view like this before. Oh, this is perfect. This is a perfect view for lightning chasing. Oh wow, oh wow. I hope these lights don't, oh wow. Look at this view. This gorgeous, gorgeous view. Oh wow. This is just pretty. This is perfect for getting huge bolts of lightning on tape. That settles it. I'm coming here more often. This is gorgeous. This is where the action is going to be. Oh, wow. Forget the 5 minutes. You know what? Yeah, it's 5 minutes. I'll be right back.